Hello everyone, this is Prabhakaran. Hope you all doing good and fine. Mostly all internet users runs internet in PC from the Wi-Fi networks. Sometimes they tend to forget the Wi-Fi password. Maybe they forgot the password or maybe Wi-Fi admin will enter it without revealing the actual password to us. In case of connection loss or connection issue, we need to rely on the Wi-Fi admin again to enter the password. So in this video, we are going to see three methods. In method 1, we will see how to track or find the Wi-Fi password of the current network. And the method number 2 and 3 is actually revealed here in order to safeguard your Wi-Fi password, because from that method 2 and 3, you can able to see that we can extract all the Wi-Fi password in which you are connected a month ago, 2 months ago or an year ago. So changing your password is must and mandatory. At the end of the session, you will come to know that how you have to safeguard your Wi-Fi password. Let's see the three methods.
Method number 1, to find the Wi-Fi password of the current network. Click on the start menu and then go to the control panel. Under the control panel, click on the network and internet. Okay. Under that, you will be having the following categories: network and sharing center, internet option and infrared. Click on the network and sharing center. Now it will display the active network in which you are connected currently, and also it will display the connection type. Now the connection type is Wi-Fi and the access network name, the current network name is VMP. Okay, so click on the Wi-Fi and you will get a category called as details and wireless property. Click on the wireless property tab. Under that, again click on the security tab. It will end with three results, that is security type, encryption type and the network security key. So this network security key is the one which is the actual password of the current network. So to view that password, click on the show characters. Now it will display the current password, that is the network key security is Visaythalam 99. This is the actual password of my current network. This method is applicable to find the Wi-Fi password of the current network. Method number 2, we are going to find the Wi-Fi password of the current network and the previous network which we have connected earlier using the command prompt settings. So in the start menu, type CMD, command prompt will appear over there. Right click on the command prompt, run as administrator. Now command prompt will appear. Under the type the following command: netsh space WLAN space show profile. Okay, netsh is nothing but network shell, WLAN is nothing but wireless LAN, show space profile and click enter. So once you give enter, it will display all the user profile in which Wi-Fi network is connected so far in this system. Now in this particular system, VMP is the current network in which I have connected through the Wi-Fi, and rest of the user profiles I have connected earlier. Okay, now in this method we can find the password of the current connected network and also the previous connected network. Let's see that. Now the current network name is VMP. Okay, I am going to find the password of the current network. Type the command netsh space WLAN space show profile name equal to, you have to type the name VMP. Okay, and then key equal to clear. Okay, netsh space WLAN space show space profile name, VMP is the profile name and key equal to clear. When you give enter, it will end up with some of the profile information along with the settings. Under the settings, security, under the settings you can see the security settings. In security settings, key content will be there. This key content is the password of the current connected network. So from this method we can find the current password method. Now in the previous network which I have connected so far, we can select any one name. and find a password for that system. Now see, Ishwar is a user profile name which I have connected months ago. Now I am going to find the password of that particular Wi-Fi. Okay, so the same command netsh wlan show profile name. Under profile name, now you have to clear down the VMP and type as Ishwar. Okay, now when I give enter, it will end up with the result, the key content of the Ishwar username. So the password of the Ishwar username is 06071990. Yeah, so from this method we can able to find the password of the current connected network and also the previous network which we have connected so far. So this method, from this method we can say that it is must and mandatory for us to change the Wi-Fi password frequently to get to be safe from the unauthorized access. Method number 3, we are going to find the Wi-Fi password using the same command prompt settings, but now we are going to extract those passwords. Okay, now type the following command in the command prompt: net sh space wlan export. Okay, export profile folder. You have to give the folder in which you are going to extract the password. Now I am giving here as C. Again you have to type as key clear. Okay, and if you give enter, it will end up with extracting all the user profile in which the Wi-Fi network is connected so far in this particular system. Now I am giving enter, so it is extracting all the profile information and it will be extracted to the C folder. We can find the extracted profile information in the local disk C. So click on the local disk C. Yes. So now you can see all the Wi-Fi profile information is being extracted in this particular drive. Now let us check whether the password is extracted in correct manner. Already you knew that we have seen the password for the current network VMP and Ishwar. So now we can click and see the whether the user information for the Ishwar tend to be in correct manner. Now so Wi-Fi information of Ishwar, so right click on that, go down with open with notepad. Here you can find the username, that is Ishwar. Now we are going to see the password for this username, and when you scroll down you can see the key material here, right? So key material is the one which is the password of the Wi-Fi network. Previously we have seen that password of the Ishwar is 06071990. Yes, in this way we can extract the user information and it will be stored in particular drive and we can access that later.
In all those 3 methods, it will end up with the password which you kept earlier during the connection. If you change the new password, it will not be displayed over there. So finally, one security tip for the user is to change your Wi-Fi password constantly to get out of something goes worse. Changing your password avoids numbers of dangers. If someone figures out your password, he can gain access to your Wi-Fi network. So change the Wi-Fi password frequently. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Hope this video helped to you, and stay connected with Visaytalam for more interesting videos related to science and technology. Thank you.